Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh, my camera doesn't want to see you. I got a real treat for you. My camera will ever get around to seeing you. Oh, there's two of yous. I need something else to hold you. Hi. Looks like another adult, is it? Oh, I'm going to have to recruit my cameraman here. Go. Oh, that's a big piece. Oh, you eat all the kibble. Uh-huh. You like apple turnovers? You do? Got this guilty look on his face, the little fellow over there, like he's... I can't see, he's not doing it now. But he was holding it right under his chin while he was chewing, like he didn't want anybody to steal any. I guess it's funny. And I wasn't going to come out, and I just looked out and I saw an ear. I figured, well, I'll go get them. They expired today, and with these things, the 2 days after they're made, they're hard as rock, so. Which makes them crumble nice for these guys, right? And who's the scaredy chicken? Oh, look at that. Oh, there's a beast. Hi. Oh, that beast. Oh, you're wanting to come in. I'm sorry, sweetie. I'm hoping to have things ready for tomorrow. So you guys are two of Mama's. I don't know if that's Mama's adoptee or not. You travel with these guys, there's a good chance he is, because he was always more nervous than the other three. The other three be climbing on me, and he'd be kind of keeping his distance, so that's probably who it is. This one's so cute. You're going to get home, and you're going to tell your brother an awesome treat he missed out on. This I find so funny when they run over the side like they pulled a heist. Tight shot, no. I got too much strawberry or apple stuff on my fingers. It won't let me scroll. Right? Good shot. Get a shot of the whole gang. Right? You keep running over there to eat. There's not going to be any left when you come back. Or you got to go have a piddle and a poop. No? Change your mind? You guys really cleaned out the kibble. I looked out probably half hour ago, and there was all the dishes still had lots of food in them. But I'll have to come over, bud. I have to. Look, wide open's all yours. I guess you won't come in if they're not in front of you. Right, guys? Your mama was here early with one of your siblings. You guys have to learn to start traveling together. It's nerve-wracking you seeing you traveling by yourselves. You don't understand how scary your mama is to those other meanies. There's a reason she's lived as long as she has. Come on, I want to put some food out, but it's almost 4. You're just going to do laps, are you? Get a drink from the muddy water. The muddy water that was clean an hour ago. I just put it out. I just changed all the dishes. Well, they haven't gotten to that one yet. You still got some more crumbs. Now your sweet little crew. I wonder this guy let me crouch down. I'd kind of have to sit on the tree. Hi. Because those are always really cute shots. Right? Can you rear up for me? No. Oh, I almost got it. Hi. Oh, he's not going to do it. Oh. Alright guys, I'm bugging you. I'm making you uncomfortable. Oh, you don't have to leave, you turkeys. I guess if he's all left together, I guess that's as good as I can hope for. So I guess I can go put some kibble out. See if anybody comes back in the meantime. Glasses on for. There you go, guys. Fall down. You don't need to be in here. This is one of my indoor raccoons. Right? No, you're not going outside. No, you don't want to go outside. Right? No, you don't. Because Daddy's not out there. Right? You big time daddy squirrel. Alright, gang. I don't know if you come back or not, but wherever you are, behave and be safe.